Denise, and welcome back to Denise's Custom. Um, Denise's Custom, Yes Custom, one of them names, but Yes Custom is my name that I'm using now. But I try to change it on YouTube as Yes Custom, but it won't let me change it from Denise's Custom to Yes Custom. So it's both of them. Um, Hold up, I'm trying to plug in my tumbler machine. I thought I had it plugged up. Oh, that's it. Okay, like I say, my name is Denise. Welcome back to Denise's Customs. Today's video, I'm going to do a few tumblers for a family reunion. If you're new to the channel, can you please look at the whole video? When y'all interact with my videos, then the algorithm go ahead and push it out. Can you do that for me? And I was, looking at my videos. Oh, and if you a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. But today, like I said, today we're going to do a few tumblers for a family reunion that I'm doing. And also, I was looking over my videos and I was like, you know what? I sound fake as. I just need to be myself. And this is myself. I curse a little bit. Sorry if anybody get offended, if I curse, but not the hard words, but like DAMN or SAIT, yeah, that. But other than that, I'm a nice country girl from South Carolina. As you can tell about that with the accent that I'm from South Carolina. I'm just a nice person. So I'm gonna just do this video right here. While I'm making my tumblers, I'm gonna go ahead and speak to you. Okay, like I say, my name is Denise. I'm from South Carolina. And I'm country. Yes, I am. I am just country as you can get. That's why I was looking at my videos and I was like, you know what? I sound just as fake as I don't know what. Let me go ahead and just be myself. And this is me. I started doing t-shirts back in 2018. When I first started doing t-shirts, I had not a Cricut, because I don't think Cricut was out at that time in 2018. But I started off with a silhouette cameo. I started doing that. When I said I didn't know what the HE double hockey stick, what I was doing, I did not know what I was doing. I had to sort of like try to, how can I put it? I had to teach myself how to do, all this stuff. I'm self-taught. Nobody taught me. I had to teach myself how to do all this. I'm gonna have to cut some of this down. How to do all this right here. And look at this right here. I got darn water on it. I don't think so, but I think it'll be all right. Well, I had to teach myself how to do all this right here. I would go on YouTube once in a while to, try to figure it out. But at the time, nobody wasn't really doing anything, especially with silhouette. I really couldn't find no videos who was doing this type of the t-shirts, cutting them out. So I was self-taught. Then I was like, well, if I'm having trouble, I'm pretty sure that everybody else is having trouble. So I got on the YouTube bandwagon and I started doing some videos. Once I started doing my videos, I tell everybody I am not an expert. I'm basically teaching myself how to do it. If you can understand how I'm teaching myself, you can learn from me. But in no way, shape, or form that I am an expert. Never has been, never will be. Because as soon as you start calling yourself an expert, Then when you tell somebody the wrong thing, then they're gonna come to you and they're gonna just like, well, Denise told me that you had to do this right here. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm showing you how I taught myself how to do it. Okay, back to the story. Well, when I started doing the t-shirts with the silhouette, the cutting machine, the silhouette, I see everybody started getting on the bandwagon. So I was like, you know what? If something out there it has to be an easier way how to make graphic t-shirts. So I researched and researched, and I started doing sublimation. Well, once I started doing sublimation, I hopped on a couple of groups on Facebook and I looked on YouTube. Well, I asked a few people, can they please show me how to do stuff with sublimation? You got these people who they will not show you, they will not tell you anything because they're afraid that you're gonna steal their business. Do you know how many people is in this world? Child, please. It's enough money out here for everybody. So, since nobody would never tell me, would show me, or converse with me to how to do sublimation, I had to teach myself. And when I said I taught myself, I taught myself. You know the amount of tumblers and t-shirts and keychains that I done muck up in the past year? A lot. I mean, a lot. I'm talking about thousands of dollars. A lot. I done messed up a whole lot. So I taught myself. When I did my videos, I never told anybody that I was an expert. I knew what I was doing. What in the world? I thought this thing was plugged up. This thing was not even, it was plugged up, but I didn't have it turned on. So I have to wait until that get warm up. So I taught myself how to do things and I figured everything out. So I was like, being the nice person that I am, I was like, well, you know what? I was like, well, if I'm having trouble, I know other people got to be having trouble as well. So I took to YouTube again and started, doing videos and showing people how I do things like nobody else, like I do things. So they took a hold of it and they understood because I went step by step. I showed them everything step by step on how to do sublimation and the way that I showed myself how to do it. So my followers started growing and I was like, okay, I like this right here. I started, a lot of people started following me and asking questions and stuff. And I was like, you know what? And it was hard to find templates for anything. Oh my God, it was hard to find templates. So I took it upon myself and I started, looking for templates and getting templates from here and there. So I was like, you know what? It's always a, you know what? I say, Denise say, huh? I was like, we gonna go ahead and we gonna give people templates for free. And that's what I did. On my video, I said, if anybody need a template for anything, to email me and I would send it to them. And so that's what I did. But now since I have a website, and I was like, it's other people that's, going through sublimation as well that need the templates. So on my website, don't look for it now when I get off this video, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the templates on my website so people can get them. And they're free of charge. I'm not going to charge for them or anything like that. So people can have them if they, get into sublimation. So that's what I'm going to do.
Let's get started.
What else? I still with that but if y'all can just like my video and share my video and make a, do a comment or something. Oh my God, just don't look at it and say, I'm not going to look at that. Just look at it. Take your time out and just look at my videos. I know the other videos that I made were fake because I wasn't myself. But now, I'm myself now. I'm not going to be fake for this camera no more. This how I am. Just a country girl with a country accent. If you can't understand it, I'm sorry. But leave a comment. Ask me anything. Ask me questions. I mean, oh, it's ready, y'all. It's ready. So I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm gonna hit play. So I guess all this right here is good to go. So I'm gonna have to wait for that one. But if y'all want to know anything, just let me know. Okay, back to my story. I keep jumping from that place to that place. Well, I started doing sublimation. I taught myself. Then I just searched around and started making templates. Okay. Then after sublimation, I was like, you know what? I am tired trying to find polyester shirts and trying to do graphic t-shirts on just a white shirt. I want to do dark t-shirts. I want to do red t-shirts. So I got into DTF. So with the DTF, I searched around and I, research, trying to find the best sublimation printer and just everything. So I did find one. That's the one that's going back there. Yeah, I'm multitasking. I'm doing tumblers and I'm doing DTF shirts and fans. So I'm multitasking here. So I just started doing DTF. My DTF business is going pretty good. But I would like to have more business doing DTF, like graphic t-shirts and stuff. And I also like to, design stuff because everybody say, I can't design this, I can't design that. Designing is easy. You just got to sit down and take the time out and do it. And I might do a video on that too. Okay, after the DTF, doing the DTF, I was searching around and I found Lancelot. This company is real good. If you're looking for a DTF, Lancelot, because they send you the printer, they send you the laptop, they send you the oven, and they send you a other couple of different things. Plus they got a lifetime warranty, not lifetime warranty, but a lifetime technical support. So if anytime anything goes wrong, you can WhatsApp them and ask them a question or even call them. But I usually text them because they're pretty good about texting you right back. But after the DTF, I was like, okay, what else can I explore? What else I can put on my resume on what I can do? So I started doing grave banners. So I started doing the grave banners and I searched and I was like, well, what kind of banner are they using to do these grave banners? I searched and I researched and I searched and I researched and I finally got what kind of banners they were using. People act like it's a secret. You can't tell nobody. But if you want to know, it'll be in the description box if you want to do banners too. Because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell you that too. Then after the banner stuff, I was like, okay, what else can I do? So I got me a engraving machine. I got the Recreate, I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. I always call it Recreate. My engraving machine. That's what I call it. But I got one of those. I only did like one thing on it. I have to go back and, play with it a little bit and, twerk some things. Then I I can do that pretty good. Not no expert, but I want to get to the point that I don't have to, ask nobody or research it or anything like that. Then I'll pass on to everybody else what I have learned. But oh, now you know what? I didn't even hit play on this thing. I didn't even close the thing. Oh my God! I'm sitting up here running my mouth, being myself. See? Now, all the other videos that I was looking at, I wasn't myself. I was just, yes, and you do this and trying to get my wording right. But this is me.
Oh, that's real good.
Okay. Now I'm in the engraving, stage now of my business. So, if y'all feel it, YouTube subscribers and new subscribers and everybody else, if you'll be so kind to interact with me and give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share my stuff, then I can get into the algorithm too and people can meet me as well. That's all you got to do. Just please, just help me out. And I got a TikTok account too. It's custom. So if you want to go over there and check me out and follow me, go ahead and do that as well. And give me a heart. Give me a like. Darn, that was fast. I got this tumbler press. Look at this big behind glove they send me. So I'm gonna take this out. Not take it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and press the ends. I see my DTF machine is finished. I'm gonna go over there and take care of that after I finish doing this right here, because I got my cord in the way, so I can't walk that way. Well, you know what? I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this tumbler came out. But other than that, I got to go. I done talked too much now. But when we come back, it's gonna be the real Denise, not the fake one, in the past videos. So if y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe, and push my videos out there, I would be very happy, very, very happy. And please put some comments in the video. I'm trying to get out there. Help a girl out. Peace.